Hello and welcome to Video Revealed. I'm Colin Smith. Let's talk about syncing audio on the timeline. I created this tutorial because so many times I get questions from people where I know the answer is really simple, and that's just shift a clip on the timeline to get the audio in sync. It's not that difficult. Now, I'm not talking about merging audio. I've got a tutorial on that. Not talking about multicam. I've got a tutorial on that. This is just about doing a quick sync with stuff that's on the timeline. So I'm going to take my Blackmagic camera and my Camtasia recording, and I'll show you how I sync these. I do this for every single show. Takes me under 5 seconds. It's so easy. Let's take a look. So I'm going to take my Blackmagic clip and drop that in. I'll drag in my Camtasia screen recording. And although I start them both close to the same time, sometimes they're not on. So I'm less interested in that and more interested in the audio. Okay. Okay, so for this one, I can tell right here, there's a telltale sign right there. So I didn't export out the beginning where I was talking. I cut that off in my Camtasia recording. So I'm going to go back a little bit later. And you can kind of see some little telltale blips in here. So that little blip right there. And I'm moving this with my mouse and I'm getting close. As soon as I'm close, I'm going to stop using the mouse and use my keyboard shortcuts because it's very precise. It's frame by frame by frame accurate. If you hold the Alt key on Windows, Option on Mac, have the clip selected and hit the left and right arrow, you'll move it one at a time. If you have to move it larger increments, add Shift Alt on Windows, Shift Option on Mac, and you're going to move this 5 frames at a time. In the preferences, you can change that value of how far, but between 1 and 5 frames is fine. So, what you're going to be listening for is an echo. If the clips are further away, there's going to be a larger echo. As they get closer, you'll hear the echo tighten up until the 2 clips are on top of each other. So I've got the screen recording selected, and I'm showing you, see it moving around? I'm hitting left and right. So I'm going to start playing, and I'll have my finger on the Alt key on Windows, Option on Mac, and hit left and right. In the markers panel, down at the bottom, copy paste includes sequence markers. And you'll notice in this sequence,
so hear
not
that?
only do I have videos,
That's
but
good.
I've got markers
That's
showing,
off.
and I've got those open up. And
That's
if you go
good.
to the markers panel, make sure the sequence is selected. So I went too far both ways. When it's on, it's pretty obvious. It's absolutely, you hear one voice. You can hear it doubled, so it's not perfect and exact. And I mute the screen recording, but it's right on top of it on that recording. So I pushed it too far one way and you hear the echo, and then I push it too far this way and you hear the echo. Let me try that again. In fact, when I started, it was right on the money. Okay, let's try that again. Selected, you'll see those markers there. So I've added them in. I've got a tutorial to... There. It's good. Was it that hard? No. If you've got a clip that you don't want to do that, you can select both of these, right-click. Now let me move these so they're out of sync. I'll select both of them and choose Synchronize. You can synchronize based on the clip start and end, on time code if it had time code, but we're going to use audio. And you get to choose the track, and it could be a mix down of 1 or 2, but if I click OK, it's synced. I've got a tutorial I have a whole tutorial about working with markers that you can visit. So now, that's with it muted. I'm going to copy some of the... So you can see that using the auto sync is pretty fast, but sometimes when I have a very long tutorial, it actually takes too long. I could do it faster manually, just boop, 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 boop. So I wanted to show you those tips. Really very simple. I just get so many comments that it tells me, hey, if they knew that you could just shuttle things around that quickly and get them in sync, they'd probably be happy. Now, you wouldn't do this obviously if you had tons of clips on the timeline. For that, you need synchronization. But for quickly moving things along, that's great. But you can right-click and choose Synchronize. All right, it's a short one, but a good one, a useful one. If you're new to Video Revealed and you found this informative, take a moment to subscribe. You want to support us a little more, we make it very easy through PayPal. There's a link in the description and one on the front page. You can donate monthly or one time. You can use your credit card or debit card and support us like all the wonderful people that do on PayPal. We do really appreciate it. Till next time, I'm Colin Smith, and it's my job to get you looking and sounding in sync.